Look at the beautiful Morro Bay today. As you can see, it's pretty gray out there. That's because we have some rain moving into the area, and we're starting to see some of that mist coming down all across the Central Coast right now. We'll get into just how much precipitation we're expecting going into Christmas morning in just a moment. But first, here's a look at our current temps. Santa Barbara 65, Vandenberg 57, 59 in Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo 57, and Paso Robles 60. It's going to cool down a lot more in the North County coming up here in the next couple days. Here's a look at our headlines for the day. Rainy tonight. Rain expected across most of the Central Coast, and that's going to go into tomorrow morning. So expect that when you wake up and start opening gifts, you'll have some rain coming down out there. As a result, high surf advisory in effect for most of our coastal communities. So Pismo Beach, Avila, Cambria, Rio Grande, high surf expected through Tuesday. And we're also going to see some high wind activity in the Santa Barbara County area. So Santa Barbara and Carpinteria are going to see some high winds going through Wednesday. Rain potential going into tonight and into tomorrow morning through 10 a.m. Tuesday is when we're going to see the most. So as you can see, less than 1/10 of an inch most places, but the National Weather Advisory says we could see up to 1/2 inch total in some of these areas. As you can see, by Wednesday, not much change, so things are going to start to level out as we get into Thursday. As you can see across the nation right now, lots of colors as we get into this side of the country here on the West Coast in California. Here's what those colors mean. High wind watch, as I mentioned, warning in effect from tonight at 10 to 3 a.m. Wednesday. That's going to affect Lompoc, Santa Maria, Santa Barbara, and some coastal cities. Those winds are going to be picking up, so be careful out there. Southern California is actually going to see some snow inland in the mountain areas, so if you're driving out there into those inland areas, watch out for some really blustery conditions. Forecast for tomorrow: 58 Paso Robles, San Luis Obispo 63, Santa Maria 64, Lompoc 64, Santa Barbara 68. In Santa Barbara County, 66 Carpinteria, Goleta 66, Solvang 63, Vandenberg 62. In the 5 cities area, things are about the same. 62 in Guadalupe, Rio Grande 65, Los Osos 62, and in North County, Avila Beach 62, Atascadero 58, Cayuga 62. 5-day forecast looks like this. Santa Maria, it's going to be pretty mild throughout the week. It's going to rain tomorrow, as we are seeing across the coast, so lots of rain coming in tonight and to tomorrow. Lots of rain for us, but not lots of rain to most people. It's going to stay in the 60s about everywhere you look, but it's shaping up to be a very nice week, especially as we get into the midweek. Dustin?